Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there. Welcome to this week's Legal Break. Gary, good to see you as always.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely. So we have some questions that just kind of come from the general population, and that is, how has COVID impacted the practice of law, especially here in Columbus? Has anything good come out of it?
Yeah, and I can only speak to one area, but I think it's changed how we all deal with things. I mean, the good news is we learned how to use Zoom.
Yeah, we have.
So we can move things along, and we didn't have to wait on somebody to be able to travel. And that made a difference really in being able to take some depositions even though we were shut down or sequestered. It made a difference in being able to have some hearings. And we also were able to do mediations, you know, some non-binding kind of things. Now, we weren't able to do trials that way, but, you know, that was good. We learned how to sign documents online, right?
Yeah.
So we don't have to go to somebody's home to get them to sign something, you know, and we learned how to use notaries online. I mean, these are just really very functional things that we've learned. What else have I got written down? We learned how to move cases, I guess. So.
Yeah.
We learned we could do more sitting behind our desk. I hate being a desk jockey, but yeah, we had to do it.
Right.
So hopefully we're getting out of it.
Yeah, very good.
Now the bad, I think, far outweighs the good, but the good will go on for a long time. But we shut down jury trials, except for criminal matters. We really haven't been able to do that. And what else bad I've got? It slows depositions, and depositions on Zoom are not like me looking at you across the table. They're just not the same. I don't feel the same connection or ability to question somebody. So, yeah, it's not the same. But we're getting out of it, I hope. And, you know, we're not having to wait on people who said, well, I can't travel. Well, no, all you have to do is turn on your phone or turn on your computer and you're there. So it has helped scheduling some. So not quite as much wasted time. But I would far rather not have had all this.
Yeah,
you know.
absolutely. Well, have you learned anything new? In this last
year
and a half to 2 years.
Yeah, good question. We have tried to move things along, and we even asked the courts in many cases, look, we'll do a bench trial. We're happy to have the court decide it, let the judge decide the case. And the crazy thing we've learned is it's the insurance companies who want to delay everything by demanding jury trials. So even though we have said, look, we trust the judge, we trust the court, we trust your experience and expertise, the insurance companies say, no. That would mean we get this resolved. We need to have a jury trial. We demand a jury trial. We refuse to cooperate.
Oh, man. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.